guys, welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. If you're new, my name is Ashley and I'm so excited to have you today. I want to thank ThredUP for sponsoring this video. They reached out to me and I think this company is amazing. When they reached out to me, it was the day I put up a thrift store shopping video and you guys went crazy for it, but everybody mentioned that their stores didn't look like mine and they didn't have as good pieces and brands. And so when I got on this website, I thought it was amazing, and it's your thrift store, like consignment store, but it's online, so we can all shop it. And what's really neat is you can pick what you're looking at. So I went on and picked like small and mediums because I tend to be those sizes, and then I chose black and gray as my colors because I don't want to sit there and search through like blues and purples and greens when I don't wear them. And so you can just pick the search that works for you and save it, which I thought was really awesome. And they have really easy returns and free shipping on qualifying orders, and I loved it so much I wanted to share it with you. And I got my stuff in today and it was like Christmas. It shows up in like these polka dotted containers, and even the outfits are polka dotted, and I thought it was so much fun. So I'm going to go over some of these pieces with you and then I'll try some of them on, but I'll start with some of my favorites. I got this one and it's Banana Republic. And it's this faux fur with the sleeves, and I actually bought this for, well, we're going to be doing like our Christmas card pictures soon, so I picked that up. And this is H&M. So they have all different types of brands. They had like Target brands all the way up to like super expensive brands. But what's awesome is you can even like shop your price range. Like there was tons of shirts that were like $7.99, or you know, you can search like under 20, which is amazing. I got this, which is a really cool texture. This blazer I think is awesome. It's super lightweight, like you can almost see through it. It's called Mink Pink, but it just dresses up an outfit or just when you need like a light cover up. And then I did get a lot of like gray sweaters for the fall. I thought this one was cool. It's like see-through right there. I love having just like dressy sweatshirts so I can be comfortable at home, but you know, if I'm at home, I still don't want to be super dressy. I got this black and white striped. I thought this was a really cute sweatshirt just to have. It's just gray with like black polka dots. And then this one, it's got like a faux leather on it. And see what I mean? Like it's a super like casual outfit, but you can look dressy wearing it. So I'm going to go ahead and try some of these on for you so you can see what they look like. Okay, this is one of my favorite pieces I got, and it's just this cardigan, and look how like shiny and sparkly it is, but it just dresses up. Like I have a black t-shirt on with torn up jeans, and look how put together I look. Like it's just a cute little top. The estimated retail value for this was $70, and I got it for $20.99, and guys, this still has the tag on it. Like it's brand new. And I just think it's so cool that they send it, and they'll even like send you the letter showing how much you saved and how to style it. But this is by far, like, I cannot wait to wear this. I may even need to wear this for like my Christmas pictures. Okay, and here's the faux leather, like just comfy little sweatshirt material. This one's estimated retail value was $60, and I got it for $19.99, and it's Zara. So I mean, there's such amazing brands on here. I cannot imagine shopping any other way now. Like I don't even know if I can shop Ross knowing I can get like high-end quality pieces for Ross prices delivered to my door. I love this. Okay, and here's that light airy blazer. Like these pockets are so fun. They just add a little bit of detail. I love like where the sleeves are hitting. And I just love the way this like dresses up, once again, a casual basic tee with denim and a necklace. And this is really light, so like even if it's not super cool outside, you can get away with it, especially for work or church or movies. But I love this piece. Let me see how much this one. The estimated retail value is $89, and I got it for $20.99. And guys, these are pieces that are going to last a really long time. Okay, and this is the one that I bought possibly for our family pictures, and I love this fur. It's like a fur vest, but it has normal sleeves. Once again, like so easy just to dress up an outfit. And the estimated retail for this was $50, and I got it for $16.99, guys. And this is Banana Republic. Like this is so nice. stand back here in the light. Look how cute that is. Just throw it on with like some boots or wedges, and it just makes a whole little outfit. Here's just a really comfy casual sweatshirt, but done in like a cute way. So it's like a gray sweatshirt, but it has black polka dots on it, and it's Karen Scott, and its estimated retail value is $30, and I got it for $15.99. And I just love this to wear at home. I can wear it with like my yoga pants, I can wear it with denims, and it's just a dressy way to like wear a sweatshirt. Okay, and this is the last one I'm gonna try on for you, but it's another like faux fur, just little like cardigan jacket, and its estimated retail price was $35, and I got it for like $17.99. And it's hard to see because I have black on, but the texture is just beautiful. It just dresses up a simple outfit, and I love it. You guys are gonna love ThredUP, so definitely click down below in my description box and click on their link. And if you use the code VACUUM30, they're gonna give you guys 30% off your first time ordering, and that is such an amazing deal. Like, their prices are already so cheap, and then they're gonna give you an additional 30% off. So definitely click that link and use that code and have fun shopping. There's no more excuses now when you see my thrift store hauls and you say, I wish I could shop like that. You can, so start saving money. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.